Looking at a nigga like he owes. Hood bitch with a switch and a gold tooth. You don't need nobody right here bringing out the old. You the baddest in the room, I thought I told you. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop.
Welcome in.
Looking at a nigga like he owes. Hood bitch with a switch and a gold tooth. You don't need nobody right here bringing out the old. You the baddest in the room, I thought I told you. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop. You a bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, bad, bad motherfucker, don't stop.
Welcome. All right.
I like what I like. I like what I like. I like what I like. I like what I like.
Hey.
I like what I like.
All right. So welcome in, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I felt it on my heart and soul today. Let me tell you, I felt it in my heart and my soul today. I am creating a book club for my PhD prep. So this year, I'm gonna leave that on. All right. Hey, welcome in, T. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year to everybody. We're getting ready to slide into 2026. And something shifted and has been shifting in me lately because I feel like we are in a state of emergency and there's a lot of people around us who are asleep. Black, white, male, female. It don't matter. There's a lot of people around who are asleep. There is some new news about him, but he's not my focus at this time right now. My focus right now is us and what we're going to do for ourselves going forward. So I've decided that I'm going to create a book club. And it is called the Radical Black Feminist PhD Preparatory Book Club. And so because I'm going to be getting my PhD, the types of things that I'm going to be reading are going to be things that are and that require scholarship, that requires critical eye and contemplation and a seriousness about the work and the reading. So welcome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 5, or is T saying say it louder? I was wondering if my mic was a little too low. I'll turn it up just a little bit. All right. So I've decided I'm going to take 5 to 10 people in a book club behind the scenes. And in this book club, we are going to spend 10 months together from February till November. And we are going to be diving into some very serious feminist texts that we are going, oh, wow, in Italy, it's already the new year. Wow, well, happy new year. Bon Chevenuete. I don't know how you say happy new year in Italian. So you tell us how you say it. So so I've decided I'm going to take 5 to 10 women and that we are going to read In the book club, I plan to read a book a month. I plan to read more outside of the book club. It's just that this coming semester, all I'm going to be doing is focusing on, well, I have a class on psychopathologies, and I am also trying to get into a culture and psychology class. And so my whole 2026 is going to be involved with diving into reading. So I started writing out a book list. Hold on. Hold on. All right. So I started creating a supposed book list because I was doing this by myself. And I said, you know what? There are probably people who would want to come along this journey with me. Now, because this is a very serious book club, it is going to take a very serious approach, and I want people to invest in themselves being a part of the book club. So it is going to be an investment to join. I've started creating a list of books. So one of the things that I discovered this year is I had a lecture class. I'm really not in the mood to try to get men up to speed with what it is that men are dealing with in our society right now, from what it is that I've seen. So I don't know about all of that. Plus, there's a cost to it. What's your name? Quillen Gerard? Yeah, from what it is that I've seen from men lately, men seem to be going their own way. They seem to be doing their own thing and cleaving harder to the patriarchy. So let me ask you a question, Quinlan. I can't see, is your name Quinton? I can't tell if that's a T. So, are there no men content creators that are creating book clubs for you all? There's no one, because in the feminist club that I'm a part of right now, last year we had a man in the club, and far too much of the session was spent in arguments with this man from conversations that he felt was uncomfortable, and he wanted to gaslight and mansplain to us in the book club, and I'm just really not in the mood for that. You got your question mark up. I can open up the phone lines and you can talk to me and tell me what your idea is, and then we'll go from there. Plus, I already know once I put the price on it that certain people are just not going to be a part of it anyway. I put my link in the description, so tonyatko.com/contact. You can send me a message behind the scenes. I am thinking that it's going to be $100 a month for the 10 months, and that there's going to need to be a substantial deposit up front so that nobody drops off, because the cohort that we start with, I want us to finish together, right? So Quentin is saying you're a half man, yes? You all see what I mean, right? Let me ask my father if I'm half of a man, if I'm half a man. Dad? Dad? Am I half a man? Am I half a man? Am I half a man? Half. Am I half a man? I don't even know, somebody on my broadcast just said, you're half a man, ain't you? So I said, let me ask my father if I'm half a man. My father said, how can I be half a man?
Well, you come from a man, but I don't know.
My father said, you come from a man, but I don't know.
Part man, it's got to be in you somewhere.
My father said, part man got to be in me somewhere. It is
half of it. So that's all right, it's still alive.
But Dad, if I'm XX chromosome and I got one of my X chromosomes from you, is that the man part or the female part of you that sent your X chromosome to me?
The female part.
The female part.
Yes.
All right then, thank you. That's it. I'm gonna get back to my broadcast. All right. So no, even my father said I'm not half a man. Do you see what I'm saying? They already starting with the effery. Already, we ain't even got the book club started. If I'm XX chromosome and I got one of my X chromosomes from my father, that's the X chromosome that he got from his mother. He could only pass on the Y chromosome to a male, and that Y chromosome would come from the male part. So I don't really know what we're talking about over there. Somebody said, leave that man alone. What? Which man? The one over here in the comments talking about he want to be a part of the book club, or the one over here? Let me get back to what it is that I was saying. All right. Now you got my father out there talking to himself. All right. So far, the books that I've heard in the grapevine and so this list will most likely change and hone. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books on the list right now, right? First up, The Will to Change, Bell Hooks. We have The Second Sex by Simone de Beauvoir. When God Was a Woman by Merlin Stone. We got Caliban and the Witch by Sylvia Federici. The Creation of the Patriarchy by Gerda Lerner. We got Between Men by Eve Kosofsky Sedgwick. And there are going to be some more. I want to get some Angela Davis. There are a few other radical Black feminists that I want to get on there. But the purpose of this book club is so that we can be involved in scholarship, right? Somebody said, you see, you all got my father out there in the hallway now talking. Can you hear him? So nonetheless, right, the purpose of this book club, somebody said, Tonya, you know Quentin a damn fool looking for attention. Why you got to do that man like that? The man said he wanted to be a part of the book club. So I don't know. Do y'all not thinking he for real? They saying you faking, Quentin. All right, so in my book club, you all got me distracted. In my book club, it's for people who want to be in the scholarship of feminism, oppression, religion, society, and revolution. So in the book club, we're going to read books about feminism. We're going to read books about intersection. We're going to read books about revolution. We're going to read books about men and homosocial bonding. We're going to read a book or two about religion. So my goal is for us to read a book a month. And so listen, this is what I'm saying. You are going to need to be able to, so listen, I just gave you Quentin. I just gave you all a list of the figurative 6 books that you can start with. You don't have to be in the book club with me, Quentin. I just read out a list with the authors. In the book club, the purpose of us having the book club is so that we can have a cohort where we can not only read the book, but we can discuss. We can help disseminate very complex ideas. Some of the other things that I want to do in this book club is I want us to break up the longer books with scholarly articles. So one part of the research that I'm doing is on the manosphere, incels, misogyny, and those sorts of things. So there are research papers that I have that I want us to read. There are some foundational research papers that we must be up to speed on. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my professors. I'm going to go to my Black Studies professors. I'm going to go to the Black Studies department, and I'm going to see about really honing in the list, right? Shantea, I didn't get the text. How long have we been live? We've been live for 15 minutes. I don't know what's going on. The text, let me check on I really don't know what to say because I submitted a trouble ticket to them And then yesterday I sent the text out manually. And so each text costs money to send. So I sent the text out manually. And then all of a sudden it went out on its own. So then I ended up having to pay twice for the text. So I don't know what is going on, but nonetheless. So for those of you who are coming in a little late, this is what we're doing. This year we're having a book club, 5 to 10 women, right? Okay. I just had to hide somebody's comments from the screen because they were really just doing a little too much. People talking about they want to be a part of a behind the scenes relationship with us in a book club, and they don't even know what the message is on my page. They just taking their soft, wrinkly testicles and smearing them all over the screen, distracting us. And you think that's what I want in a book club? Huh? Like, it's like these people act so remedial. It's like I saw a video last night. It was like late in the middle of the night. I didn't save the video because I thought it was just a stupid video. But basically it was like this it's a guy dressed up in a wig playing a woman and a man. So the woman character is cooking at the stove. The man comes into the kitchen and says, "Hey, can I help?" And the wife is like, "Yes." So then the husband is like, "Well, what do you need help with?" And she's like, "Well, chop the onions." He's like, "Where do you keep the onions?" Or "Where do we keep the onions?" She's like, "Where do you think the onions would be?" And he's like, and she's like, "In the refrigerator." So then he grabs the onion. He's like, "Do you want the skin off?" And she's like, "Have you ever eaten an onion with the skin on?" And he's like, and then she's like, "Just peel the skin off." Then he's like, "How do you want it cut up?" And it's like, by the time all of that was said and done, she could have just damn cut the onion herself. It's like these guys, they come into this fair acting as if they're leaders, but they can't keep up. Even with simple conversations, with simple ideas, they just can't keep up, right? And so I don't know what's going on with them. Honestly, I really don't. So the book club is for womb holders only, for keepers of the womb. You don't have to be black, but this is a radical black feminist book club. So the basic idea is for us to jump into intersectional ideas. There is no, so you need to be up to speed to be all right with intersectionality and be on board with understanding why it's so important. I realize that in our society, we are surrounded by people who are struggling intellectually. We got people who are clinging to a valueless whiteness that is not doing anything for them besides keeping them stuck. And they are desperately clinging to it. And we have a lot of dangerous people in power right now. So I don't have the time to try to get somebody who is falling behind up to speed. I need to be around women who are ready to do this work, right? Who are ready to roll up their sleeves, who are ready to be in discussion about the difference that we can make, who are ready to learn and read complex ideas. It's like we have a person that was on this broadcast who can't even keep up with simple ideas. I'm half a man. Which half? Do I need to go pull up my thing and slap it around down there? Huh? Which half? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Nonetheless, and lesser the none, right? So we have somebody who's already reading Gerda Lerner's book. That's cool. Someone is saying, "I just saw your post about blocking men on this channel. going forward if they can't behave themselves. And I think that they should be blocked if they can't come here and agree to disagree respectfully. Exactly. Or agree or disagree respectfully. Exactly. Exactly. All right. So, who here is interested in the book club? I kind of want to get a feel for who's interested in a book club that where we meet. We read a book a month. We meet once a week for 10 months. This is rigorous work, right? So we're going to be meeting. I think maybe in the summer we might meet less often so that people could go on vacations with their family and stuff. However, you still need to be reading and you still need to be involved with keeping up with the study. So if you're interested, let me see you raise your hand or put up a 1 and then we'll go from there. You know how to reach me behind the scenes, tonyatko.com/contact. Um, so, Simply Nikki is saying, I've read the Bell Hooks and the Merling Stone. Yeah, you know, I haven't read the Bell Hooks book. I'm really looking forward to getting into that. And then also, every time that you read a book, you're reading a different book because you're a different person each time that you read it. So when you come back to the book, your chemistry is different, your biology is different, your mind is different, the words resonate in different ways, you pick up on different things, and we're going to be in a group full of other people who are going to be discussing this as well. And I want it to be small enough and intimate enough that, okay, so we have 1, 2. All right, so I'm thinking we'll have anywhere between 5 and 10. Shantae is saying, I'm interested in the book club. I need to start reading a lot more like I used to. So that's the thing. When I first started grad school, it was difficult for me to read for 5 minutes. Reading changes our brain. I was watching a video yesterday that was talking about the science of reading. And reading changes our brain because as we read, different synapses are fired up. And so there are different parts of our brain that come together to visualize what it is that we're reading, to make sense of it, to integrate it. Part of the reason of having the book club is to integrate the information so that we can talk about what it is that we've read. So ideally, what I would like for us to do is I would like for us to, when we read, we write down what it is, our understanding of what it is that we've just read. I just had a lecture style class. The class is over and I've forgotten most of what it is that the teacher taught because he was talking at us. And we never got a chance to talk about what it is that he was teaching so that the information could be integrated. I want to do things differently. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. All right, so the book club, like I said, 5 to 10 women, and we're going to be meeting. It's going to be a sisterhood. Like the type of reading that we're going to be doing is like, I want you to read what I'm reading that's going to get me up to speed for grad school, so that when I'm talking in my videos, you already have an idea of where I got the information from. Far too often, we come across content creators who they're talking and talking and talking, and we're so far behind. Like the ideas that we're hearing are new ideas we've never heard before, and it feels like it will take a while to catch up. What I want us to do is I want us to go along this journey together so that we can learn together, so that I'm not outpacing you, so that you don't just come to my channel and you're like, oh my goodness, where did you get all of this information? I need to catch up. Let's go together. So there's another 1 right there. Okay, so you know what? Listen, I'm going to create a payment link. And then we will, and you know what? And I think that this is pretty reasonably priced. I mean, $25 a week, I don't think that this is astronomical at all. I think that it's manageable. I want it to be inexpensive enough for us to be able to do it, but an investment enough that we take it seriously, that we don't just say, oh, well, I did this and then now I'm going to drop out. I want the cohort to go along together from beginning till end, right? These are great questions. How will I choose the number of people? So that's a good idea. I mean, so I guess I need to kind of talk with each person and get a sense for how serious you are. Are you a student? Are you trying to get your PhD? Are you interested in feminism? I guess I can create like an application. And then from there, we'll be narrowing it down. So 5 to 10 people is not that much. You'll see, 5 to 10 people is not that much. It's not that much. That's a small enough cohort that we can grow together. So I'm going to open up the phone lines for you all to ask me any questions that you have. Someone says, I've heard that re-listening to a book is like re-listening to a piece of music. You get a little bit more information every time. That is very true. That is very true. All right. So phone lines are open. 323-488-3149. I'll use my university refunds if I have to. I want to learn from you. I'm also in grad school. Okay, perfect. That's like I would love to be in the group with other graduate students who are, or other leaders. If you're like a leader, a grad student, if you're going to take this information and go out there into the world and make the world a better place, even better, even better. Okay. So phone lines are open, 323-488-3149. I want to hear your questions about the book club, etc. 5 to 10 is great. I think it will help people commit and enjoy the deep discussion instead of being a passive listener. Exactly, exactly. So the phone lines are open for people who have questions. Does anyone have questions? 323-488-3149. If you have questions, the phone lines are open. And that is exactly what I want. I want us, and also I want to also have an accountability partners or accountability partners, because I don't want to fall by the wayside myself either. Like I really want to be on it. Because it's been like, it's been winter break and I have not read as much as I thought I would. So I'm thinking if we're in a group together, we can be each other's accountability partners and we can keep up with each other. All right? So we have John's Artistry. All right. We have Lonice. Okay. Shantea says her dog goes to sleep because I have such a soothing voice. No, I feel you. It's very difficult for me to edit my videos because when I edit them, the voice is so lulling that sometimes I just find myself really fighting sleep. So I feel your dog. I feel you, puppy. I feel you. Oh yes, please like the video. I didn't realize there were only 31 likes. So phone lines are open. Does anyone have questions? If you have a question, put up a 2 so I'll know that you do have a question. You can ask your question in the chat or you can call in. Please like the video. Please like the video. And then I'm going to give you all a chance. I know everybody is not on the broadcast right now, so I also do want to keep the broadcast short enough for people who were not. Janae, okay, Janae. All right, thank you, Janae. I want to keep the broadcast short enough for people who are not on the broadcast right now because it's New Year's Eve to be able to to be able to hear the broadcast, get your questions, have the questions answered, and then we'll go from there. No questions, no questions. Nobody has any questions. So that's it. Let me know. Let me know before I jump off of here. My self-love lesson from today is about protecting my peace. When I hear and see stuff that is not passing the smell test, no matter how innocuous it may seem, listen to my instinct. And I'm glad that I put that guy on silence. I am, because that it was some talking about you want to be in the book club. Huh. All right, so no one has questions. Okay, that's cool. So let me see if I can think of any other questions. Can anybody think of questions that other people may have if they're coming to this broadcast afterwards? So the link to send me a message is in the description of this video, tonyatko.com/contact. I'm going to go there now and see if anyone has written a message to me so I can see if I can answer that now while we're on air. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, okay, okay. Is it okay for someone to join who's not American and doesn't live in the USA? Absolutely. Look, this type of work, this needs work. We need this work done all over the world. All over the world, this work needs to be done. So if you can speak and understand English well enough to be able to participate in the discussions, I guess you could read the book in your own native language if you can find it in your language, and if you can discuss these ideas in the group. Also, some of the research papers we're going to be reading, those are in English. So yeah, you did miss a lot. We're having a book club. It's going to be from February till November because I'm going to be submitting for the PhD programs in December. So I need to have like most of my research and stuff done by November so I can fill out my applications and start doing all of that other stuff. I'm also going to need to be traveling to different programs to see which school I want to go to, where I want to live, and how I'm going to do it that way. Someone wants to know if I'll marry them, and they're like, answer me, question mark, question mark, question mark. No, no. Yes, the price is in USD. It is $25 per week, so $100 a month. And there will need to be, so to keep people from dropping out of the program and investing in the program, there's going to need to be a substantial deposit. So, yes. Okay. What other questions do we have? Someone says, I'm beautiful, talented, and amazing. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right. I'm going to hang around for a few more questions. Send me a message in my inbox, and I'll probably end up doing a video either tomorrow or the day after. The program is from February to November, 10 months. Okay. Any other questions? Will the books be available for your followers or tech squad to know, for those who don't join the book club, so we can read on our own time maybe? When you say will the books be available, are you talking about the titles of the books that we'll be reading in the book club? Or are you talking about PDF photocopies of each page of the books. What are we talking about here? You have to be more specific. Are you talking about the titles or PDF pages? And so the purpose of the book club is for us to come together and be in scholarship together to discuss the books and the book ideas together. You're on the air live with Tonya. What's your name and where you calling from?
Hi, my name is Neilani. I'm calling from Iowa, Ottumwa, Iowa.
Hey, Neilani from Iowa. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. So talk to me.
Okay, so I've been following this channel for some time since I was like 17. I'm 25 now, and I have been, engaging with your content, and I've noticed that um, my messages, like my comments, I don't know if anybody else can see them or if you can see them, but I I don't think anybody can see my comments. And I'm not sure if maybe I'm blocked or something, but it's like they go through. So I'm not sure.
Well, why don't you type something on the screen right now so we can see it? What's your screen name?
It's Nailani. It's oh, actually, I think it's different. It's Mommy Lotus. It's Mommy underscore Lotus.
Okay, so type something. Let's see if we see it.
Okay. Okay, I sent it.
You typed it on the live?
Yes,
Okay. Which platform are you typing in from?
YouTube.
From YouTube.
Hmm.
I'm not seeing any comment from mommy underscore Lotus. Let me see. I'm going to go to my live. Does anybody else see the comment from mommy underscore Lotus? You have a new baby?
Yes, I do. Actually, he's older. He's 10.
Oh, that sounds like a little baby though. YouTube.
He's playing with our kitten.
Oh, okay. So let me see if I can get these comments up on the screen. Here, I'm gonna put this on the screen. So, um, I see Danielle, X Nicole, Princess Puenta. I see Auntie CI. I don't see Mommy Lotus. I don't
Yeah,
see.
I made that comment like right before Danielle. I'm like right above that. I don't know why.
Yeah, let's see. I'm going to go into the back end and see if maybe there's some sort of block. I don't really know. Let me go
Okay.
into my, where would the blocked things be? It should be in moderate. Let's see, advanced settings, user ID, channel ID, privacy downloads, account notifications. Let's go to privacy and see. That's not it. Playback and performance. Video previews always show captions. No, what are you talking about? Get out of here. Okay, let's see. Notifications or accounts. All right, let's see. Add or remove managers, Google account membership, your channel, channel status and features, view advanced settings. Let's see if it's not in advanced settings. I don't even know where. Let's see. Add or remove manager, channel managers. Let's see. All channels, Tonya TKO. Let's see. There's nothing here. Google account, view or change your Google account settings, membership. Let me go back in and then let me see if I can. Settings, report, send help. Report history. I used to know how to, let's see. Let's see. How to see blocked accounts, YouTube. Okay, it says for all blocked accounts, web browser, go to Google account settings in your web browser, sign in, navigate to the people and sharing. What? This just doesn't make any sense. Let me click on this video real quick. It's like they make things unnecessarily difficult. For what reason? It says how to unblock someone.
And this is your home screen. You're going to go down to people and sharing. Once you clicked on that, people and sharing, you'll see this area right here with your contacts.
Where do you see people and sharing?
Google Apps. You have these 4 dots. You're going to go to your Google account as it shows up here. And this is your home screen. You're going to go.
Oh, Lord. Let me try this again. This is unbelievable. Okay. I need to try to figure this out, but they're not making it easy to figure it out. Let me go here. Google account. Okay, here's Google account. Personal info, people and sharing. Okay. Okay, contacts. This is not even about YouTube. Let me go to the app because I don't know what's going on the web browser. Okay, let's see. Give me 1 second, Mommy Lotus.
Okay.
Let me go to YouTube on the app on my phone. Oh Lord, my kitty cat. This is so silly. Let me get to home screen, home. Let's see. Your videos. Let me go to the thing. General, switch account, purchase language, connected apps, quality. Like, where is this? Let me go to general and see. Rotate screen, stats for nerds. I don't even see how to do this. Can you send me a message behind the scenes? Go to tonyatko.com/contact and send me a message because I do not even see. Okay. How do you all know how to get to the, this doesn't even make any sense. Background and downloads. Like, this should be easier than this. Okay, if you could do that, that would be great. Just send me a message behind the scenes and then we'll take care of it. All right?
Okay. Yep, thank you.
And have you had this issue on anybody else's channel or is it just mine?
Just this channel. I don't usually engage with other live videos usually, so.
Oh, here, blocked contacts. Okay. So blocked contacts. Hold on. I think I got to it. Okay, here. It says no contacts yet. There used to be an area that you could see blocked contacts, but it's like they change these apps every few months. Oh, wait, here. 192 blocked users. Okay. So you said Mommy Lotus?
Yes. Mommy_Lotus. And it's spelled MAMI and then _Lotus.
Ugh. I'm looking at some of these stupid ass names. Women are savages and have no morals. That account sounds like it needed to be blocked. Original monkey man. I'm looking. I don't see Mommy Lotus in here, and there's no way to even search. Oh, this is, let me see here. All right, here. It took a while to pull up, but on the computer, let me do a control find. Control F, M-A-M-I. Control find, M-A-M-I. All right, Venezuelan mommy. That's it. There's only one person with the name M-A-M-I that's blocked. So what I need you to do is I need you to send me a message behind the scenes, and I will send a message to the to my YouTube, to the YouTube partner support. Okay? So what I need you to do is I need you to send me a message. I need you to give me the channel name of your channel, like the channel, like when you go to your channel name, and then we'll go from there. Okay? We'll handle this behind the scenes. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much for calling in. All right.
Have a good night.
You too. You too. Okay. So Hayat is saying sometimes YouTube shadow bans people. Apparently, like, this just doesn't make any sense. It's like they make things difficult for no reason. Hey, welcome in, everybody. Welcome. You can, what am I trying to say? I lost my train of thought. Oh gosh. We have been here for 47 minutes. I'm about to jump out of here. If you have any questions, we're creating a book club, and we are going to be meeting behind the scenes over Zoom, and we're going to be reading a book a month together, and some scholarly research papers that have to do with feminism, society, religion, revolution, and oppression. Oppression or revolution, Blackness and the intersection of feminism. And we're going to be looking into radical Black feminism, and we're going to go from there. All right? So if there are no other questions, does anyone have any questions before I jump off of here? If not, I'm going to jump off, and I'm going to allow you all to enjoy the rest of your New Year's Eve. I am going to be working on getting things together for the book club. I'm going to be working on researching so that I can find, the best books for us to be able to read in the book club. I already have a tentative list of about 6 books. However, I want to get some books on like deconstructing religious programming. I want to get some books on oppression, some books on revolution. I want to do all of that. We don't know which books we're reading yet. Happy New Year's Eve to you all. And I think that's about it. Thank you all so much for coming out. We're going to play some music as we head out of here. So let's go from there.
Pretty face car on 10. Body right, got her looking. My type, total spin that thing. I like what I like. 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 Ask him what he like about me. Body so petite, make him right about me. Claiming that he love me, gon' do right by me. I'm the baddest in the room, none in sight like me. Let him smack it, got him fiending, it's a habit. Silly rabbit, got a trick for the cabbage. Bad attitude, got him calling me a savage. He said that I ain't even let him have it.
The link to send me a message is in the description of this video. Stefan, what do you want to show me from work? You can send a message behind the scenes. Aren't you in the squad? All right, you all. I will see you all in the new year.